Okay, we have Hubspot service. Now we see the list of the different actions. You can see a variety of actions that you can carry out on HubSpot directly from your workflow on GHL. We start from the bottom coming up. You can create a HubSpot contact, update a contact, delete a contact, create marketing email, update marketing email, clone HubSpot mail, delete email. You create product object, ticket object property, create line items object, and all this list. You can exhaust all of this as actions, and when all of this is done, you are good to go. The setup has been made, the installation has been made, the connection has been made. Now you are good to go with using your actions on your workflow. And if you have any issue with any action or any setup, then you can let us know. We'll help you out, be it on the call or maybe email or whatsoever channel you be comfortable with. Just let us know and we'll be able to jump in for you. Thank you.